This is 10.3 in Go Math Practice and Homework. Let's read the title together. Ready and go.
Parallel lines and perpendicular lines.
Very good. Parallel lines and perpendicular lines. Let's quickly review. Parallel lines never meet. Intersecting lines make these. Perpendicular lines form at 90 degrees. Put your hands in the air with me. We'll stop there. Okay, use the, does it help us to read the directions?
Yeah.
Sure does. Let's read the directions. Ready? Go. Use the figure for 1 and 2. Crazy figure right here. Okay, so we're going to use this figure right here for numbers 1 and 2. Okay, name a pair of lines that appear to be perpendicular. Well, perpendicular lines
Never meet.
Perpendicular lines form at 90 degrees. Yeah, form at 90 degrees. What's our symbol for 90 degrees?
Little square.
Squares, yeah. Ooh, we've got lots of them. That's fun. See those squares? Those form at 90 degrees. Okay, think. Perpendicular lines form right angles or at 90 degrees. A and B and E and F form right angles. So we will write A and B with a line above it and arrows. If I write, you write, is perpendicular, that's an upside down T, to E and F. And we put lines and arrows above those two. Okay, good job. Kind of did that for us. All right, number 2, name a pair of lines that appear to be parallel. Parallel lines never meet. Okay, what lines on here never meet?
CD and AD.
Yeah, those guys. Okay, so we're going to write AB. Do those have lines and arrows above?
Yes.
Yep. Okay. And they're parallel. What's the symbol for parallel?
2 lines.
2 lines. Okay, and they're parallel to CD. I didn't mean to do both of those with you, but here we are. Okay, we'll do, let's see, number 3. Draw and label the figure described. MN, okay, MN, so let's draw a line MN, and it has arrows, so MN. Okay, next clue, and PQ intersecting at point R. Intersecting lines make these. So does it have to be 90 degrees?
Yes. Yeah.
No, perpendiculars do. So I'm just going to make a V with that, and I'm going to name this P and Q. Okay, what am I missing?
The R.
Intersecting at R. Yeah, so wherever they cross is point R. Okay, all right. The bottom section says use the street map for problems 6 through 7. Street map right there. Okay, we'll just read through it and you guys can do it. It says name 2 streets that intersect. What's your first clue? Intersect, underlined it. But do not appear to be perpendicular. Not perpendicular. Okay, you can find those. Number 7, name 2 streets that appear to be parallel. Underline parallel. Remember, we're underlining our clue words. If you were on a computer, you would highlight it. Then number 8, it says draw and label an example of 2. What's the next clue?
2.
Parallel lines that are perpendicular to that line. Okay, so you just get to draw and label it. You get to draw however you want, but they have to be parallel lines that are perpendicular to a third line. Okay, you're going to have 3 lines on that. All right, ready and go.